Hey there, Eric Holmlund with some exciting news for you about children's books. More specifically, how you can create and publish children's books more easily than ever with our brand new software called AI Children's Bookmaker 2500. Now, some of you may be familiar with our original AI tool, the AI Children's Bookmaker, and if you are, you may actually recall seeing this book, Coach on Wheels, one of the first books that I created and published with that tool. In fact, you can still see a video of a read aloud that I did when I revealed this book to my kids for the first time. It's a cool book. It's a good book. And in fact, my kids enjoyed it a lot. You can see that in that video on this page. But we have come so far in the time since creating this book. Our tool is now 100 times better, 100 times more powerful, and capable of creating better stories, better illustrations, and so many more ways for you to have control of your project, to get exactly what you want out of our tools. A couple of my newer books that we've just published with this tool include Pierre and Sammy's Stormy Surprise and The Girl Who Danced with a Dolphin. And you can also find read-alouds of those two books on this page. So you can actually see every illustration. You can hear every word that was created as a part of these books. You'll also find demonstrations on this page of me actually using our software tool to create these books. In other words, we don't hide anything. We're not holding anything back. We're actually showing you how it works, how we create these books with our tools. You know, there's a lot of other AI software out there. Some of it's great, some of it's junk. The thing that frustrates me, the thing that I don't like when I see on software sales pages is when they just don't show you anything about how it works. Well, on this page, you can actually watch us step by step. You can essentially virtually look over my shoulder as I use our software to create these books. But it's not just me. It's not just me creating books. It's also our customers. And so we have included a few testimonials and case studies below of some of our customers who have successfully published books as well. Like I said, thousands of them, which is just phenomenal. I mean, it's kind of mind-blowing when we think about it, but it is very gratifying as a product creator when you realize that people are actually using it and it's making a difference in people's lives.
When you log into AI Children's Bookmaker 2500, you'll start with two options. Either you don't have an idea for a book yet, or you do have an idea for a book. We'll be taking a look at every option and every tool throughout these demonstrations. We'll start with, I don't have an idea yet. From there, you can either use the quick book generator, which is the fastest, most automated option, or the step-by-step book generator, which is a much more in-depth and detailed process that gives you control of each step and every detail along the way. We're going to start with the quick book generator. Throughout this demonstration and every other demonstration, if you see any dark orange colored buttons, those are part of an upgrade package that we have available for members. And we will have a series of demonstrations available for members who do acquire that upgrade. For now, we'll be demonstrating all of the features and tools that you'll get in the main package for AI Children's Bookmaker 2500. So we'll click the button here that says Board or Picture Book. Step 1 is simply to click the blue button that says Generate Book Ideas. The AI will go to work and give you 5 interesting book ideas. If you don't like any of them, you can simply click the trash can and generate another set of 5 book ideas. Step 2 is to choose your favorite book idea by clicking the checkbox next to it. Again, the point of this quick book generator is to be fast and easy. Let's go with Sammy's Space Adventure for ages 4 to 7, a picture book. Sammy is a curious squirrel who builds a rocket ship to explore outer space. Along the way, he meets different alien creatures and learns about their unique cultures, etc. Then you'll choose a tone for the writing. Warm and friendly, playful and fun, gentle and soothing, imaginative and creative, adventurous and exciting, educational and informative, empowering and encouraging. I'm going to go with imaginative and creative. Enter the name of the author and illustrator, which could either be your name, your client's name, or a pen name that you made up. I'm going to use my real name throughout these demonstrations because this is a tool that I really believe in, and I'm not afraid to put my name on these children's books. Then click Submit. And the AI goes to work actually writing this story. Here we go. We've got the summary, the title page, the copyright page, and the story itself, which is 18 pages, including the end page, as well as a back cover. As you'll see throughout some of the other tools, you'll have plenty of opportunities to customize, to rewrite, to expand, any of those types of things that you want to. But again, this here is the QuickBook generator, and we just want to create something quickly. So we're going to keep this as is, and we can either download it as a text file by clicking this button, save it to our project library by clicking this button, or copy it to our clipboard with this button, which I can then paste into a text document on my own computer.